Hello everyone, welcome to the next video in PowerShell with Azure series. And in last video we configured the virtual network and added one subnet. Okay, let me get that information for you so that we'll start adding one more subnet and deploy a VM inside it. Well, you guys might be wondering why I'm deploying VM, though I talk like let's understand all the relevant resources first with the help of PowerShell and then deploy VM. Well, I'll let you know why. So let's get the information. Get AZ virtual, not hub, but the network. Okay, if you remember, what was the resource group? It was PS RG. And what was the name of the virtual network? PS VNet. Okay, cool. Now, if we have $vnet as a variable where we have the outcome of this command that we have ran, let's select and see whether we have our subnet that we have created already or it has been removed or something. Okay, so it's been more than 24 hours, by the way. So address, okay, it didn't pick prefix. Cool, we do have the PSVnet. Okay, I picked name. Instead, I need to pick the subnet. Select subnet. Okay, let's do this. Do the dot notations. It's subnets, not the subnet. Okay, you got the information here. So if we do this and we select, we can select the name and address prefix. All right, cool, we got it. So we gave the name as subnet 1 and the prefix this. Let's quickly add one more subnet just to refresh how it works, and then we'll add the VM to that subnet, the new one. So if you remember, it was add AZ virtual network subnet config, not the but the subnet config. Let's give the name subnet 2, and what we need the IPs for that subnet. Okay, so the prefix is 10.0.0. Let's do 1.0/24. Okay, and in what virtual network? In this virtual network we have this $vnet. Okay, cool. Now if you remember, once we add, we need to update it. Always remember to update it. So vnet pipe and set. Update we do in virtual machine, and here we need to set. Now it is adding the subnet that we have added here. Once the subnet is done, we'll try to deploy or create a virtual machine. Let me tell you why we are creating the virtual machine now. It is because in new command, new azvm, we can create a VM with a single command. It deploys with the default configuration. Okay, so we are changing only the virtual network location, resource group, subnet and all, and we'll go with the default just to be sure. Okay, it is deploying in the subnet that we defined. All right, so let's get this information first. like this. I need to put the variable again because we have added one more subnet here. Now it has the new values. Well, subnets. Let's check. Select name. You got two subnets. Okay, cool. Now let me show you the new command. New azvm examples. See, new azvm name and credentials, and it will create the entire VM with the default configuration, with the custom user image, those kind of things. So just giving you the information. Let's go ahead and create one with the resources that we have created here already. New azvm. Okay, what we can do, we can give the resource group name. Would that be psrg? Let's give it the location. It was West US, what I remember. See, and the virtual network name, there was psbnet. Subnet name, let's put it in the subnet 2, and the name, let's make it psvm. Okay, now we can add it as job so that we would have the information coming right here. It's asking us to put the credentials in, so let's put the credentials in. We'll learn how to set it inside the PowerShell, but for now, as for the beginner's perspective, that's the best way. Let me put it, and it will start creating a VM. Okay, we have the job ID here, and we can get the information from the job ID once that part is done. Okay, let's wait, it will take some time. All right, so it is completed now. State, I was checking with the get job command to find out what is the status of the job. Remember, the only way to learn PowerShell is use PowerShell only. Don't open the portal. Do whatever you want to do from the PowerShell only, then you can learn it. So we have deployed new VM with the name of PSVM. Let's check it. Okay, let's check it. Get AZ VM. Resource group name, we know it's PSRG. VM name, PSVM. There we go. We have all that information. Let's put this information inside a variable. $VM is equal to this, and $VM dot, let's check some other information. DS1v2, that's the default VM size when you create your VM without selecting anything else. Even with the help of portal, when you create, this is the default size. Okay, so that's how you can create your VM. And let's check some other things. For example, okay, okay, let's see what we have. PSVM, nothing important as of now. Let's check the information of, let's check what all we can get out of here. See, I don't even remember everything all the time. I just figure it out. I find it out. Everybody should know how to play with the PowerShell rather learning the commands. That's what I'm doing in front of you. I don't know what all information, so I'm learning right now. I'm checking because I know how to use a PowerShell. Okay, so We do have this storage profile here. We can check the storage profile dot disk. Let's see data disk. There is no data disk, but we must have an OS disk. Let's see what is the default OS disk. It's a 127 GB default OS disk from image. That's interesting. Let's see where we have this. Okay, I'm just going through this get member thing and trying to check other information. You can go with me and see where is the image reference, right? Oh, okay. I'm still not able to see where it must be OS disk, or it could be somewhere. Okay, that's strange. I remember I have OS profile right here. See, gotta be patient as well. OS profile, I think we must have something here. Oh, OS profile. You gotta be patient. Well, we got the information of the PSVM name and the admin username for this. Okay, OS profile. What we have here, we have a lot of information. Like, let's see if we can get some more from here. No, we don't need this information. Okay, what about Windows configuration? Cool. See, we can get that many information by just digging around with the help of PowerShell. Okay, very good. Now there is something I'm still looking for, and I know we have done it before. I'm still checking. Let me check quickly. Huh? Didn't I say you gotta be patient? So that was a mistake. I actually did not dig the storage profile, though I was checking it right here. I just went into data disk and OS disk. I forgot the same storage profile holds the image reference, right? So let's try to check image reference. There we go. It's a 2016 data center Windows server. So this VM has been created in our subnet with the default information that we provided, right? Very good. All right, let's try to get the public IP address of this VM, because that's how the default thing works. AZ public address. Let's put the name PSVM and the resource group name PSRG, and let's select what IP address. There we go. That's the IP address. Now you can even connect from here to the MSTSC space -b colon and 40, I think, 86.164.170. There we go. All right, let's cancel this, and now it has been created. Everything is well and good. Now we don't want to pay for the resources we are not going to use, so we need to remove resource group. Did I do something wrong? Let's quickly check. Yes, I did. Its tab is not working. It's not resource group, it's AZ resource group. Okay, recovery, we don't want you right now, maybe in future. Resource group. Okay, what's the name? It's PSRG. Okay, we want it gone. So that's all about it in today's PowerShell lesson, and thanks for watching. You have a good day. Bye bye.